Hello succulent enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Anacampseros Sunrise, a captivating and unique succulent variety that brings a burst of color and charm to your indoor or outdoor garden. But before we dive into this radiant beauty of sunrise, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more insights into the fascinating world of succulents. Anacampseros Sunrise is a captivating succulent plant cultivated for its unique appearance and ease of care. While Anacampseros species are primarily native to South Africa, Sunrise is a cultivated variety. Anacampseros Sunrise is renowned for its stunning coloration and compact growth habit. The succulent's leaves are typically a blend of pink, purple, and green, creating a mesmerizing sunrise-like gradient. As the plant receives more sunlight or stress, the colors intensify, adding to its visual appeal. Additionally, Sunrise has a compact, clumping growth pattern, making it an excellent choice for small containers or succulent gardens. This succulent thrives in bright indirect light, making it suitable for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight or outdoor areas with partial sun. It prefers well-draining succulent potting mix and should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to drop between waterings. Maintaining moderate humidity levels and providing good air circulation will also benefit its growth. When companion planting with Anacampseros Sunrise, consider other colorful succulents or sedum varieties to create a vibrant and visually appealing succulent garden. Mixing different succulent shapes, sizes, and colors can result in eye-catching and harmonious arrangement. Its vibrant colors and unique appearance make it an excellent choice for succulent enthusiasts and collectors. This succulent adds a burst of color and charm to your living space, succulent garden, or decorative arrangements, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of succulents. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your succulent collection flourish and may your Anacampseros Sunrise grace your indoor or outdoor space with its radiant beauty and unique charm. Farewell and happy succulent growing.